How to fix TikTok not letting you like the videos? Here's how. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now check if you have hit the daily like limit around 500 likes. If so, you will need to wait 24 hours before liking more videos. Next, try unliking a few old videos. To do this, click on the heart icon. Here, open a few videos and tap the heart icon to unlike them. This may refresh your account. Then clear your cache. Go to your settings by tapping the three lines at the top and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Free Up Space and clear your cache and download. Finally, check for the app updates. Go back and go to the Play Store app and search for TikTok in the search bar. Lastly, click on the update if available. By following this step, you should be able to start liking videos again on TikTok.